Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share you something. I just want to share my gray areas where I was working and I was not getting result. And those gray areas were I was paying attention on listening, reading, writing, but I was not doing anything with speaking. That's why I was not growing with speaking skills. As you all know that speaking comes by speaking only. So I just made a plan that this year I have to work on my fluency and accuracy perfectly. So what I did in my first year, I worked on my fluency, and now I am on the process of accuracy and voice modulation and tonality. So first thing that I am doing now, I have changed all the process of learning. I'm not practicing on every skill deeply, like listening, reading, writing, speaking. I'm focusing 80% on my speaking and 20% on other skills. Yeah, I'm taking the formula of 80 and 20. Really, if you are speaking 80%, so it means you are practicing great manner. Since our childhood, I have worked, I have spoke this language only. Okay, I have spoken this language only. That's why we are so fluent, so confident that whatever we want to present, there is a charm. Yes, there is a greatness in our words, in our tone, and in the sweetness of legacy of words. So I just want to say, uh, just start with 80% speaking. Speak as much as you can, and when it comes to 20%, so in 20%, wherever you find that you need to work. If you are not good at vocab, so you can learn that. If you are not good at grammar, so you can take it. Yes, but not so but not so focusedly that you are totally indulged into grammar. You can learn grammar, you can practice it in passive manner also. Okay, you can start reading. In reading, whenever we read, we just go through with the grammar structure. Okay, every time there is a new kind of grammar structure, and every time you are just seeing it in repetitive form on every page. So automatically you know that if I am practicing they, so they is like they is always they go, not they goes. He is always he goes, not he go. So that things you are learning automatically, because you are just watching it, you are using your senses, and all that structures are getting imprinted in your subconscious mind. So just practice grammar passively in starting, and after that, when you find that you are quite confident, you are speaking fluently, so you can take one by one also. Okay, and writing, you can write anything, but it's not necessary that every single day you are going to write. You can do whatever you want to do. You can listen if you are interested to listen something, because giving input is also important. If you are not giving any input to your mind, so what you are going to speak, there should be something no, in your head that what you are going to speak on. And other thing is that it was the conversation of like listening, reading, writing. Now I am taking the speaking. As I told you that we need to make it 80%. How you can make it 80%? You are sitting at your home, so you can do self talk. Okay, that is a great way of speaking. And you can just talk about any small topic. You can talk about object talking also. In object talking, you can talk about any utensils like glass and water bottle. You can talk about your outfits, like your favorite dress or your favorite uniform. You can talk about school uniform, one particular profession's uniform, like police uniform, and other things, doctors. So that is all up to you. there is no scarcity of the topics with whom you can do practice. You can practice with your daily routine. Yes, you can describe about your daily routine, and you can describe your previous routine, and even you can just write a letter to yourself when you were a kid, so how you used to think about yourself. Yeah, you can make small stories of 1 minute, 2 minute in your mind. You can do pretend conversation. Means the main thing is that you need to speak a lot. Like a chatterbox, you have to speak in this language. Yes, deliberately you have to speak, because when you are going to speak, so you are giving that exercise to your mouth, that is going to make your mouth muscles strong and proactive. When your mouth muscles are getting active to speak this English, so everywhere words will come to you naturally, and you are going to speak spontaneously, because you are practicing how to speak every single moment. Yes, try to speak as much as you can, as much. Yes, just make your efforts about speaking a lot rather than other skills. Yes, listening you can do any time, whenever you are commuting here and there, and whenever you are just traveling and you are going to your office. So in between time, if you are doing your household chores, that time also you can do listening. So with other skills you can manage your time, but when it comes to speaking, so speaking is the skill. That time you don't need to manage your time. Whatever time is there, you have to start. Yes, you are sitting alone, you can start. You are just having tea, so after having tea, you can describe about your views on tea. And when you are just washing your clothes, if you are doing laundry like that, so that time also you can have self talk with yourself. And other thing is that if you are sleeping, so during sleeping also you can make your conversation, you can think in English. When you are speaking too much English, so everything is coming into your mind in English only. You would notice that now whatever you want to say to your children, or to your relatives or someone else, so automatically you are going to speak some words in English only, because you are practicing it. Main thing is practice, and it comes with consistency. Okay, if you are not consistent, you are practicing only for 1 day 2 day, and after that you are making a long gap. So there is no use of following this rule 80 to 20%. Okay, 20% you can manage, but 80% you have to do by hook or by crook. Yes, I think that you are going to start with your 80 and 20% rule if you want to speak. Yes, I know in the couple of months you would start speaking with your own efforts. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Keep learning and keep watching. Bye bye.